Barangay Disod Manzanillo. Barangay.
Good afternoon, sa barangay. The problems needs arises before disaster. For the prevention, mitigation, and preparedness due to flood. So our project and programs activities as flood control. So our expected outcome is to clean up flood system. And the scheduled implementation will be long-term, that's 2013 to 2016. So the person responsible is the barangay council. The budget is come from the 5% calamity fund, the BDRRNF.
B-Dream F. B-Dream
So the disaster response is the identify or response team in terms of extent, capabilities, responsibilities, and equipment. Then in our expected output, completely of accredited response team and manpower equipment. So the schedule of implementation is the same, 2013 to 16. Then the person responsible, barangay council, or the budget is from the calamity fund or BDRRNF. So after the disaster, the rehabilitation properly. So training, the programs and project activities, training of fix and declaring the area, the affected area. So after that, expected output will be we are going to feeding and distribution of relief goods. And the schedule of implementation will be 13 to 16, so the person responsible will be the same barangay council, and the budget will be same also from 5% development, from calamity fund for BDRRNF. So this is my report. This is my plan in our barangay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. From Disod Manzanillo Barangay. Okay? Ito yung isang barangay kaming nakaldanganan si Dano. Balay ni Dano, anak ko. No, lumabas kayo si Enda, ito yung isang kaasitugan na rantay si Enda eh. I think that's a connection between CTEX and Manzanillo, Ferguson. So because if I remember right, it was constructed last year since the advisory was October, tama ba sir? It was finished for almost 1 year, more than 1 year. Okay? So para sabihin namin pinakamahabang tulay sa Baguio City yun. Okay? At taga-Pintawa kami na po. So nga, sinmakit tinulo may isa sa na-traffic tayo aming kapapuntang taon dahil sa pagbusundan ng daanan. Yan. So, problems ay detail. Okay? On the thematic area. Tingnan sa detail, pinagnayon na dyan doon nga thematic area, which is prevention mitigation, and the second thematic area is that is the preparedness. So, first that we can separate that. Okay? So that we can identify the project itself. PDAs natin. Okay? So, ang problema nila doon, flood. So, ang kanilang PPA is flood control on the waterways. Yeah? Kasabot-kulan actually the waterways na dyan. And then, it was already silted. Yeah? Kapo amin nagabor, kapo amin dinato because of constructions. Nakatubi ng traktol di balbalay na dyan. Okay? So, flood control na dyan, the expected output na clean up flood drainage system. Siguro, no kasi ni PPA station, free-flowing water ko na tayo dyan. Yeah? Ang amin nga obstructed dyan, pagnaan si Dano. Okay? Or, because of the flood control, saan nga ang overflow dyan ni residents tayo. That's going to be the output. Okay? So, the schedule of implementation, sabi na natin doon, if your project is going to be flood control, gaano ba kahaba yung click? Gano'n po kahaba. Okay? Ang gagawin po natin dito, schedule of implementation, 2013, first phase. 2014, second phase. 2015, third phase. Kasi hindi naman natin actually talaga makikita yung development niyan eh, kung hindi natin hahati-hatiin. Okay? At saka yung pondo natin eh. We have to stretch out the fund. Kasi hindi naman kaya ng pondong diretsuhin yan na gawa ng flood control in 1 year. Hindi na kaya ng pondo. So gawin natin spaces. Or, yes, phase 1, yes ma'am. Do it by phases. Ang mga matapos na tulpiyan tayo mga sinituwid. Okay? We can do it by phase. Mga kaya for next year's budget also, phase 2. Mabalay na tigas day na project. It's going to be a long-term plan. Okay? And then, mga kaya BDRMF, as naging kasama tayo yung sa presentation, it can be on your development fund. You can pull out some resources from your BDC. Okay? Next is, during your disaster, identify all response teams in terms of skills, responsibilities, and equipment. Okay? More likely, saan niyo po kinuha ito? Doon sa presentation kanina. Okay? Kung titignan niyo po kasi, ang kanyang concentration is identifying all response teams. Okay? Siguro, ang problem mo doon is unidentified. Yung mga response teams nyo sa barangay. Tama po ba? Ito ang problema natin doon. Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo kukuha ng manpower. If that's the case, this is more likely to fall on preparedness. If you identify all your rescue response teams, skills, responsibilities, and equipment, gumagawa ka na ng listing mo for you just to call just in case any disaster happens. Okay? So it's more on preparedness area. Okay? Complete list of respective teams, it is expected output, yes, okay? Manpower and equipment, schedule of implementation, same, okay? So long-term goal, BDC, BDRMC, BDRM. Okay? Eh dito naman po listing lang ang nakunin natin. Pag-paper at kabila po katapat niya. Di po ba? Okay? Next is, after disaster, rehabilitation and recovery. Ano doon? After disaster. Cleaning of creeks and declogging. Siguro ito. Declogging of your waterways or your canals. Okay? Declogging po siguro nakalagay ito. Then, what's the expected output? With flowing water again sa waterways natin or clean waterways. Okay? Or ano pang output nun? Walang overflowing ng canals or creeks. Okay? That's going to be your expected output after you clean your creeks or declogging of your canals. Okay? Implementation, long-term goal, BDRM Council, and then BDRM Fund. So, overall po, sir, okay naman po. So, thank you very much from Visual Community. Next